Before Domino's pizza lands on your table hot and cheesy, its story begins in a place that looks less like a kitchen and more like a futuristic food laboratory. Giant machines hum, conveyor belts stretch for miles, and the smell of yeast and flour hangs in the air like a promise of something delicious. It all starts with one essential ingredient: flour, but not just any flour. Domino's sources massive amounts of high-quality wheat that arrive daily in 18-wheelers. These trucks unload their cargo into silos taller than most buildings. Each silo can hold tens of thousands of pounds, towering like grain skyscrapers. Imagine the entire population of a small town being fed from just one of those silos. It's that much flour. Now here's where precision takes over. Special machines release exactly the right amount of flour, measured to the gram. No eyeballing, no guesswork. To that flour, water flows in with mathematical accuracy. Salt and sugar slide down chutes, followed by yeast, tiny living organisms that hold the power to transform simple ingredients into fluffy, airy dough. Think of them as microscopic chefs doing the heavy lifting. The ingredients tumble into industrial mixers that look like something out of a science fiction movie. Giant steel arms churn with relentless rhythm, kneading thousands of pounds of dough at once. The sound is hypnotic, like waves crashing in a metallic ocean. Within minutes, what was once just powder and liquid becomes silky, elastic dough. Timing here is everything. Mix too long and the dough gets tough. Cut it short and it collapses later. Domino's engineers make sure every batch is perfect. Once mixed, the dough doesn't just sit around. It travels on conveyor belts to portioning machines. These machines slice the dough into exact balls, each one identical in weight and shape. Laser sensors hover above, checking for even the slightest variation. If one dough ball is off, it's rejected instantly. Uniformity isn't optional, it's the golden rule. But here comes a clever twist. Domino's doesn't freeze the dough. Freezing would kill the yeast and ruin the texture. Instead, the dough balls are placed in trays and sent through a chilling system that keeps them cold but alive. This way, the yeast keeps working slowly, developing flavor over time. It's like putting the dough into a deep sleep until it's ready to rise in the store ovens. From here, the trays are sealed, labeled, and stacked high like treasure chests filled with pizza potential. They're loaded into refrigerated trucks that crisscross the country, delivering dough to every Domino's branch on a tight schedule. By the time you order, that dough might have traveled hundreds of miles, but still feels as fresh as if it were made in the store that very morning. This stage sets the foundation. The crust of a Domino's pizza isn't just bread. It's the result of science, logistics, and craftsmanship all working together. And once the dough is in place, the real fun begins. Sauces, cheeses, toppings, and ovens that roar like jet engines. But that's coming next. For now, the secret's out. The first chapter of Domino's Pizza begins not with fire, but with flour, yeast, and a little bit of food science magic. With the dough ready and delivered to Domino's stores, the spotlight shifts to the heart of every pizza: the sauce. And this isn't just any sauce. It's a recipe so closely guarded that only a handful of people know the full formula. The flavor has to be bold enough to stand out, but balanced enough to let cheese and toppings shine. The journey begins in another facility where mountains of ripe tomatoes arrive fresh from farms. These aren't your grocery store tomatoes. They're grown specifically for pizza, chosen for their rich flavor and thick texture. Within hours of being harvested, they're washed, sorted, and crushed into a pulpy base. Huge steel vats cook the tomatoes down until they transform into a smooth, velvety sauce. But here's where the magic kicks in. A secret blend of herbs and spices is added. Oregano, basil, garlic, a touch of sugar, each measured with surgical precision. Domino's uses massive computerized dispensers to guarantee consistency. Every batch has to taste identical, whether you're eating in New York, Cairo, or Tokyo. Once the sauce is perfected, it's pumped into sealed containers and sent through sterilization systems that lock in freshness without adding preservatives. It's then chilled, packed, and shipped out to stores. The result? Buckets of red gold, ready to coat every dough base that comes out of the fridge. Now, Imagine stepping into a Domino's store. A fresh dough ball, cold but alive, is pressed and stretched into a circle using a sheeter machine, or by the skilled hands of an employee tossing it in the air. That soft base is now ready for its first coat of flavor. With a quick swipe, a ladle spins across the surface in a perfect spiral. No sloppy splashes. The swirl has to be even, leaving just the right amount of crust uncovered for that golden brown edge. But of course, sauce alone doesn't make a pizza. Next up is the superstar ingredient that makes Domino's what it is: the cheese. And not just any cheese, it's 100% real mozzarella, delivered in massive blocks. These blocks are shredded by industrial machines into thousands of perfectly thin strands that melt into gooey rivers of deliciousness. In the store, the shredded mozzarella is kept chilled and portioned. Employees are trained to add exactly the right amount. Too little and the pizza feels empty. Too much, and it collapses under its own weight. It's a science of balance. The cheese has to bubble and stretch just right when the pizza hits the oven. At this point, the pizza looks alive. A fluffy dough base, rich red sauce, and a snowy blanket of mozzarella. But the true identity of a Domino's pizza comes next, because this is where toppings take center stage. Pepperoni, veggies, chicken, beef, each has its own production story, and each arrives prepared, sliced, and ready for action. And here's a fun fact. Domino's doesn't just dump toppings randomly. The distribution has to be consistent across the pizza. Even spacing ensures that every bite tastes the same. Whether it's from the center or the crust, it's not luck, it's calculated. This is where the artistry meets the science. The canvas is set, the sauce and cheese are in place, the toppings are waiting in colorful trays like a painter's palette, and once they hit the dough, the transformation from ingredients to pizza masterpiece becomes unstoppable. But hold that thought. The toppings deserve their own spotlight. Because behind every slice of pepperoni, every strip of chicken, and every chopped vegetable, there's a fascinating story of preparation, preservation, and precision. Now that the dough, sauce, and cheese are in place, the spotlight shifts to the toppings, the colorful characters that turn a pizza from simple bread into a global icon. And believe it or not, every single topping has its own carefully engineered journey before it ever lands on your slice. Let's start with the king of all pizza toppings, pepperoni. Those iconic red circles don't just appear magically. They're crafted in specialized factories where high-quality cuts of beef and pork are blended with paprika, garlic, chili, and a mix of spices that give pepperoni its famous smoky kick. The meat is ground, stuffed into casings, and then cured in temperature-controlled chambers that mimic old-school Italian methods. Except here, the scale is massive. Once ready, the pepperoni is chilled, sliced into thousands of thin rounds with robotic precision, and packed into vacuum-sealed bags. By the time it reaches a Domino's store, every slice is uniform. Same thickness, same diameter, same punch of flavor. Next up, chicken. Domino's uses seasoned chicken breast that's cooked, diced, and frozen at peak freshness. In industrial kitchens, massive ovens roast trays of chicken until golden. Then machines cut the meat into perfect cubes or strips, depending on the recipe. Quality control is ruthless. Any piece that's too small, too large, or too dry gets tossed. By the time customers see it, the chicken is tender, juicy, and ready to complement that bubbling cheese. But a pizza without vegetables? That would be like a movie without color. Domino's sources tons of fresh produce every single day. Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, olives, spinach, all of them washed, chopped, and packed, with an eye for freshness. In some regions, local suppliers deliver straight to stores multiple times per week. Imagine crates of green peppers being sliced by machines so fast it looks like a blur. Or onions peeled and diced by high-powered equipment that never sheds a tear. The vegetables are then chilled and stored, waiting to add that crunch and burst of flavor. And here's a fascinating detail. The toppings aren't just about taste, they're about balance. Domino's has strict topping distribution guidelines. Employees are trained to space out pepperoni slices evenly, scatter veggies in measured handfuls, and layer chicken so that no bite feels left out. Even the weight of toppings per pizza is standardized. Too heavy and the dough collapses. Too light and customers feel cheated. The art is in the equilibrium. Different countries also add their own twist. In Japan, you might find squid or mayo drizzle. In India, spicy paneer cubes and tikka chicken. In Egypt, rich shawarma toppings are a hit. Domino's adapts to local tastes, but the backbone process, the precision, the consistency, remains the same everywhere. Now picture this scene. A Domino's worker pulls the dough, adds sauce, sprinkles mozzarella, and then begins the topping ritual. A handful of pepperoni rains down in perfect circles. Next, a scatter of green peppers and onions. Then mushrooms, olives, maybe some grilled chicken strips. The pizza transforms into a work of edible art, colorful, balanced, and full of promise. And now, the stage is set for the final and most dramatic step, the oven. Because everything up until this point has been about preparation. But inside that roaring hot machine, the pizza goes from raw ingredients to golden brown perfection in just a few minutes. With the toppings perfectly in place, the pizza is ready for its most dramatic moment, the oven. And this isn't your ordinary kitchen oven. Domino's uses conveyor ovens that roar at nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit, designed to bake each pizza in under 7 minutes. The raw pizza slides onto the moving belt and disappears inside the blazing heat. As it travels through, the magic happens. The dough puffs up, turning golden and airy. The cheese melts into creamy rivers that bubble and brown at the edges. Pepperoni slices curl slightly, crisping at the rim while releasing flavorful oils that soak into the sauce. Veggies soften just enough to stay crunchy, balancing out the richness. What makes this system brilliant is consistency. Whether you order in New York, Dubai, or Cairo, the oven is calibrated to deliver the same perfect bake every single time. No guessing, no uneven cooking, just flawless pizzas rolling out one after another like edible masterpieces on a production line. And when the pizza finally emerges, steaming and sizzling, it isn't finished just yet. The next step is just as important: slicing, boxing, and sealing the experience for delivery. Fresh out of the oven, the pizza looks irresistible, but it's not ready for the customer just yet. First, it heads to the cutting station. Using a heavy-duty rocker blade, employees slice it into 6, 8, or even 12 equal pieces, depending on the order. Every cut has to be clean and fast so the cheese doesn't drag across the surface. Next comes the famous Domino's box. It's more than just cardboard. It's engineered to keep the pizza hot, protect it during delivery, and even allow steam to escape so the crust stays crisp. The pizza slides in perfectly, filling the box edge to edge. A quick fold, a snap of the lid, and suddenly the meal looks complete. But here's where Domino's really stands out: the delivery system. Once boxed, the order is scanned and logged into a digital tracker. Customers can literally watch their pizza's journey in real time, from in the oven to out for delivery. This transparency isn't just marketing. It keeps the entire process moving with clockwork efficiency. Within minutes, a delivery driver grabs the insulated bag designed to trap heat like a thermal vault. The pizza stays piping hot even while bouncing across traffic. By the time it arrives at your door, it feels like it just came out of the oven. And that's the beauty of it. The pizza doesn't just get made, it travels with care, making sure the last bite is as good as the first. The final chapter of the Domino's journey doesn't happen in a factory or an oven. It happens the moment that pizza reaches the customer. After all the precision, science, and logistics, it all comes down to one simple thing: the first bite. Picture this. The delivery driver arrives at your door holding that insulated bag like it's a treasure chest. Inside, your pizza has traveled safely, still steaming hot, still smelling like roasted cheese and fresh dough. The driver hands it over, and the moment you open the box, a wave of aroma fills the room. Garlic, herbs, pepperoni, bubbling cheese. It's the kind of smell that makes silence fall at a party because everyone's eyes lock on the food. But the experience isn't random. Even the box design plays a role. The venting holes are positioned so steam escapes at just the right rate, enough to prevent sogginess but not so much that heat is lost. The box itself is strong enough to keep the pizza intact, but light enough to carry easily. It's packaging science hiding in plain sight. And then the real magic, pulling out the first slice. The crust has that slight crunch as it separates, the cheese stretches into long strings that almost refuse to let go, and the toppings stay locked in place instead of sliding off. Every element, from the chilled dough to the conveyor oven to the precision slicing, comes together in that single moment. Domino's has engineered the entire process so that no matter where you are in the world, that experience feels the same. The pizza is hot, the flavors are balanced, and the quality is predictable. Whether you're eating it in a dorm room in Chicago, an office in Dubai, or a living room in Cairo, the product is designed to taste exactly how you expect. And that's the secret power of Domino's. It's not just about food, it's about reliability. You know that when you order, you're getting decades of fine-tuned systems. Farmers growing the right tomatoes, factories mixing the perfect dough, suppliers delivering fresh toppings, ovens calibrated to perfection, and delivery drivers trained to beat the clock. At the end of the day, Domino's Pizza is more than just a meal. It's a global machine of flavor, efficiency, and customer experience, all condensed into a cardboard box that lands on your table in under 30 minutes. And when you take that bite, you're not just eating bread, cheese, and toppings. You're tasting a worldwide operation that runs like clockwork, all to make sure your pizza is nothing less than perfect. From silos of flour to the first cheesy bite, Domino's has turned pizza making into an art powered by science and speed. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey, don't forget to hit subscribe, because there's a lot more delicious stories coming your way.